So it's been a bit since the last time I filmed a car wash video, so I figured we'd go ahead and film the Futura Impulse, because it's been a bit. Here's our cash machine. And I think I pulled a little bit too close.
To enter your code.
Alright. I did get gas here, but the gas pump didn't offer me a code because it was probably programmed wrong, so we're just going to do the old-fashioned.
Please insert payment now.
Alright, let's see if this accepts my Visa debit card. Alright.
Please insert payment now. Please remove your card. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Alright. I'll just get my wallet together. I can't put it in my pocket. We're just going to keep it there. Alright. In we go. By the way, if there's any shakiness in this video, I apologize. Whoa. What is this thing I'm driving on? There we go. Yep, Futura Impulse. Most of the features on this system are turned off, which is kind of sad. Our Bellinger signage. Jeez, that horn needs some adjustments. Alright. It's probably because it's cold out today. It's like 60 degrees out. Yep, here's the system. Well, that's cool. It has the same features that a Futura SSA has, where the top bar tilts, and they're taking care of that. Shut the car off here. We don't need to have it running right now. Nope. Another pass of pre-soak. We're in pretty good here. I'll change my zoom to 0.5. Seems a bit slower. That's cool, I guess. Alright, here comes our tri-foam. Signage looks a little bit out of shape. There it is. One thing that I would really like to see for this place to improve is to fix that turbo arm. That is a very nice addition, and it's really rare. I've never seen it in use before. That yellow bar is the turbo arm. Really want to see that fixed. That'd be very nice. Pretty good covering of triple foam. Didn't get the top too good, but it's got it pretty nicely. Right. All right, surface protectant. Pretty good coverage on surface protectant. All right, and here's our spot-free rinse. And it still has that quirk where the surface protectant light is stuck. Really good coating with spot-free rinse. A little soap on the mirror. Hopefully that gets it off. It didn't. I'll fix it later. All right. Go ahead and start the car. Alright, out we go. And I don't know why it asked me to start moving the second it wasn't not done moving. It was a little weird. Got some Bellinger dryers here, so let's see if they do a pretty good Bellinger job. That was a bad pun. Anyway. 23 seconds remaining, so I better use this wisely. This is slow driving. All right. Well, that completes this video, so have a nice day, everybody. And that's it.